Time, it's the one thing every living being shares, and yet no one truly understands it. It flows forward, unstoppable, untouchable, or so we think. But what if everything you know about time was wrong? What if time isn't something that moves at all, but something we move through? We'll uncover 10 shocking truths about time that will bend your sense of reality and maybe even make you question if time exists at all. When you watch a clock tick, it feels like time is moving forward. Seconds, minutes, hours, slipping away. But physics tells a different story. Time doesn't flow. It's you who moves through time. Einstein called it the block universe theory, a vision where the past, present, and future already exist, frozen in a four-dimensional space-time block. In this model, every moment of your life, your birth, your first memory, even your final breath, is already there. You're simply sliding through those moments, like a needle moving across the grooves of a record. So when you say, time is passing, the truth is, you're the one doing the passing. Right now, time is moving differently for you than it is for someone else, even if they're standing just a few feet away. According to Einstein's relativity, gravity and speed twist time itself. The stronger the gravity, the slower time ticks. That means if you stood atop a mountain, you'd age ever so slightly faster than someone living at sea level. But take that to the extreme, like near a black hole, and time almost stops. To an outside observer, you'd appear frozen forever at the event horizon, while inside, you might experience just seconds. That's not science fiction. It's been proven with atomic clocks, flown on planes, satellites orbiting Earth, and even with astronauts aboard the ISS. So yes, time travel already exists. We're all doing it, just very, very slowly. Think you're living in the present? You're not. Every sound you hear, every image your eyes capture, is delayed by a fraction of a second as your brain processes it. Your consciousness is always living in the past. It's your mind that stitches reality together, creating the illusion of smooth time flow, when in fact, it's just memory and prediction woven into a story. Scientists call this the binding problem, how the brain unites countless signals into a single moment called now. But there's no now in physics, only a series of frozen snapshots that your mind plays in order, like frames in a film reel. So maybe time isn't what's real. Maybe your perception is the illusion that makes reality possible. If these first few facts already twist your mind, wait until you hear what's next. Because the deeper we go, the stranger time becomes. Next, how the universe might already know the future, and how your future self might already be watching you. We've always believed cause comes before effect. But what if sometimes it's the other way around? In quantum physics, there's a strange idea called retrocausality, the possibility that the future can influence the past. In experiments with photons, scientists found that the way you observe a particle now can change what it seemed to have done earlier. It's as if reality waits for you to decide, then rewrites its own history to match. Some physicists think the entire universe might work this way, not as a straight line from past to future, but as a giant web, where events influence each other in both directions. So maybe your choices tomorrow are already whispering back to you today, and maybe that feeling you sometimes get, that you've already been here before, isn't just déjà vu. It's time folding in on itself, just for a moment, letting you glimpse what hasn't happened yet. What happens when time runs out? Not metaphorically, literally. If the universe keeps expanding faster and faster, galaxies will drift so far apart that their light can never reach each other again. Stars will die, black holes will evaporate, and even atoms will fade into nothingness. Physicists call it the heat death of the universe, the point where time itself might stop having meaning. But here's the twist: you'll never feel it happen, because time doesn't end like a door slamming shut. It just slows until every process freezes so completely that before and after become the same. From inside the last fraction of a second, billions of years could pass in the outside universe. You'd never know. Maybe one day, time will dissolve back into the nothing it came from, and everything that ever happened will remain, forever suspended in that final, unchanging frame.